Next is an example of characterizing nanostructural details of individual layers in a multi-layered gallium nitride on silicon sample. Using parallel beam optics and placing the two-dimensional detector perpendicular to the diffracted beam, an incident beam would experience a 330% expansion along the equatorial direction on the sample surface. On-site Axis and Rigaku Smart Lab were combined to examine a 50 mm half wafer of gallium nitride grown epitaxially. Typical attenuation depth for gallium nitride with K-alpha-1 and K-alpha-2 is 9 microns, which is significantly larger than typical film thickness. The gallium nitride 0002 symmetric reflection rocking curve is shown at 0.136 degree per image. The resolution of the original data is 0.00136 degrees per frame. At 1 degree per minute, this data set took no more than 5 minutes to complete at a resolution of 0.00136 degrees per frame. A thorough analysis of the data set yield the following maps: lattice dilatation map, relative defect density map, and relative layer thickness analyses. The next X omega images are a series of rocking curve profiles for an equatorial cursor line for each pixel stacked one above the other in pseudo color. Several pixels were chosen both equatorially and axially to display the rocking curve profiles and differentiate the effect in these two directions. Origin analysis was performed on this data, and data sets with more than 0.9 COD, coefficient of determination, were only used. Individual layer relative integrated intensity was used to profile the individual layer relative thickness for each pixel. Based on the sample morphology, geometry, and optics used for this reflection, an estimate of the beam coverage on sample surface is illustrated. Excellent correlation was found when our data set was compared with that found in literature, as well as a control sample R1413, with known individual layer thicknesses. Instrument profile was created using Bruker leptos, and the standard known specimen was quantified using origin analysis and Gaussian fits. Note that the reference diffractogram was obtained using a high-resolution XRD system with only K-alpha-1.